Question: have you ever wondered if your Monzo card can follow you on your Nigerian adventures? Pause for dramatic effect. Well, let's find out. Hook. Imagine exploring the vibrant markets of Lagos, indulging in the spicy flavors of suya, or simply catching up with friends over a cup of jollof rice, all while using your trusty Monzo card. It's a dream, right? But is it possible? Building context. Monzo overview. For those who aren't familiar, Monzo is a UK-based digital bank known for its sleek app and fee-free international transactions. Nigeria's economic landscape. Nigeria, with its growing economy and increasing adoption of digital payments, presents a fascinating case study. Key factors to consider. Card acceptance. While many businesses in major cities accept international cards, it's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, especially in smaller towns or rural areas. ATM availability. Monzo cards generally work with Visa or MasterCard ATMs, which are widely available in Nigeria. However, check for any specific restrictions or fees imposed by your bank or the ATM network. Exchange rates. Be mindful of the exchange rates applied by Monzo and your local bank. While Monzo often offers competitive rates, it's worth comparing them to avoid unnecessary fees. Security. Always prioritize your card security, especially when traveling. Be cautious of skimming devices and avoid using ATMs in isolated or suspicious locations. Testing the waters. Personal anecdotes. Share personal experiences or stories from other travelers who have used Monzo cards in Nigeria. This will give viewers a first-hand account of the potential challenges and benefits. Expert opinions. Interview experts or financial advisors who have knowledge of the Nigerian market and international payments. Their insights can provide valuable information and address any concerns. Additional tips. Mobile wallets. Explore the use of mobile wallets like Opay or Pega, which are gaining popularity in Nigeria. These platforms can offer convenient and secure payment options, especially for smaller transactions. Currency exchange. While Monzo can handle currency conversions, it's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand, especially for smaller purchases or situations where card payments might not be accepted. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support. They can provide assistance and resolve any problems you may face. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the potential benefits and challenges of using a Monzo card in Nigeria. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences or ask questions in the comments section. This will foster a community and provide additional insights for future travelers. End. Sharp closing. So, can you use your Monzo card in Nigeria? The answer is generally yes, but it's important to be prepared and aware of the potential challenges. By following these tips and staying informed, you can make the most of your Nigerian adventure without worrying about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.